Hi everybody, I'm Hannes.
And I'm Laura, and today we're going to be showing you a window hanging in a Christmassy style.
Easy?
Yep, it's quite a quick one. The template I found on the internet, unfortunately I've had it for such a long time, I'm not sure where I got it from, but a simple Google search will give you enough star templates, that's not hard to find. We've obviously had ours and used one of our prints on vellum paper. You can use tissue paper or any thin coloured paper as well. It would also look nice with colours depending on your Christmas colour theme. And yeah, I think it's going to look nice hanging on our window.
Looks like the crepe paperwork, how you call it?
Crepe paper.
Crepe.
Crepe paper might work, but it's got a funny texture so it might not glue very well. If you don't mind it not being flat, you could use crepe paper as well, yeah. But I would use something like tissue paper. hope you enjoyed that. It's quite simple. Obviously you don't have to hang them all together either. You can make a few and just stick them all over your window. That would also look nice. But I wanted to do a hanging. So that's what we did. So,
Fast.
catch you next time.
Ciao.